Well, today we received another emergency alert. This time it's a severe dust storm, because you always need to know when the dust storm's kicking up. So it has a locked indicator, and it's got this little screaming beep, beep, beep thing. Look out. We got a message. Better push the button. Holy crow. There it is. Here it is. Can you read it? Emergency alert. Big dust storm. I can almost hear a bell outside screaming too. Imagine that. Alright, we'll be getting a lot of these. It just seems like they're getting us ready for something big, something crazy, something kind of conditioning, you know. Watch out for that stuff.